When I arrived at home, as I remember in the previous video, this thing is flew away, so I'm just going to put one more thing. Oh, actually it's already done, so yeah, so I have to reapply everything. So yeah, let's do it. So let's clean it up. So we are using the razor from the box to clean it up, and let's see how is the result. So let's clean it up. It's actually really hard to clean it. This one is not really visible for you. Try to focus it. It's removing really hard, but I'm doing one part slowly, one by one. So yeah, let's remove it. But the result is really good so far. Because that cover flew away while I was driving, that's probably really hard to remove it. You see that it's removing by slices as a piece of the cake, but you can hear the sound, but that feels really good. So you have to find the right angle. You just keep doing that and just change it and you will feel it. You can see it's almost gone, almost. That actually works. I barely can feel it, so I'm not using. Actually, no, I still can feel it with my nail, but we are going to apply more resin. So yeah, let's take the resin and this thing and let's apply it. So let's clean it up from here. So you just basically taking same resin, nothing special, so we just doing a small dot on top of it. Oops, and to filter, no pressure, and just a little bit movements like this, and just lets it leave. So as you can see, that's pretty much clear, the chop right here. So let's wait for the result.